Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Kaggle to GitHub. To begin, open Kaggle in your browser. This is where you'll create or open a notebook and connect it to your GitHub account. Make sure you're signed into Kaggle before continuing, since the linking option is available from inside the notebook workspace. Once you're on the Kaggle homepage, look to the top left area of the screen and click Create. This opens the menu for starting new work inside Kaggle. From there, select Notebook. A notebook is the environment where you can write code, organize your work, and manage integrations like GitHub. After you click it, Kaggle will open a new notebook editor. When the notebook loads, move to the top left corner of the editor and click File. This menu contains options related to saving, exporting, and connecting your notebook to other platforms. In this case, you'll use it to begin the GitHub connection process. Inside the File menu, click Link to GitHub. This tells Kaggle that you want to connect your notebook to a GitHub account or repository. Depending on your screen, you may see another prompt or confirmation window. If that appears, click Link to GitHub again to continue. This second confirmation is normal and is simply part of the connection flow. At this point, Kaggle will guide you through the sign-in or authorization process. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in and approve the connection between Kaggle and GitHub. The exact screens may vary slightly depending on whether you're already signed into GitHub in your browser, but the process is usually quick. Just continue through the prompts until the authorization is complete. As you do this, be sure to review the permissions shown on screen so you understand what access is being granted. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, you may need to allow them temporarily so the connection can finish properly. Once the prompts are complete, your Kaggle notebook should be linked to GitHub. That means you'll be able to use GitHub as part of your notebook workflow, making it easier to keep your work connected and organized. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of linking Kaggle to GitHub.